So today I'm coming up with a interesting topic. Can I put a timeline to work on my relationship? So let me share a story with you, which is a real life story which actually happened in our coaching program. So I'll not name those people. Situation changed, situation slightly modified. So this person asked me, I'm fed up in my relationship. I'm not happy with the way things are going on. Can I put a timeline? I have put a timeline of 1 year. If this doesn't work by December, I will see what to do in my relationship. Have you ever thought about this? Have you ever thought in your mind at least that I will put a timeline? If this works by this time, then I will do the. I will. If my partner change by, next December, in a month, after this conversation, if my partner understands my things after this conversation, then I will see. Have you put a timeline? Have you put a condition over there? Now, I'll tell you what happens in that case. So in this case, what happens is, it's you're not from your heart. In relationship, you need to be from your heart. You need to get into your heart. That's where relationship works. You can put a timeline to your goal. Like, say for example, by next year, I have to be here in my career. Or I need to get into the manager position. I need to get into my business. I need to achieve this many crores or this much. So that's something which you can put, because there you have processes, systems. You can put lot many things in systems, processes. You can hire people to fast track things, and you have control there. However, when it comes to relationship, I would suggest not to put your mind, put your heart. That's what matters. Relationship is all about heart. Love is all about heart. If you've experienced love, may not be. If you're single, you're watching. If you're a married person, you're watching. If you're a married person, you might have experienced in your marriage. If you're a single, then you might have experienced the love of your parents or some of your dear friends. It's pure, right? There is no logic. So this is something which we have experienced when we understood this concept. So if you need to understand this concept, this is very powerful, really very powerful. When you remove the timeline, the time disappears. When you put a timeline, it extends. When you remove the timeline, time disappears. So this is what has happened for one of the person. The person who told, that I will put a year's timeline, and if that doesn't happen, let me see what I should do. During the coaching program, I told, don't put a timeline. And there are certain other things which we spoke about, which is very particular to them. Then he understood that concept. He removed the clock which was, the pendulum which was there, clicking. He removed that. And you know what? He had put 1 year timeline. His relationship changed beautifully, magically in 2 months. In 2 months. He had put 2 years. He had put 1 year timeline, but it's changed in 2 months. That was the beauty of removing that timeline in your relationship, because it's all heart. And you know what? When you put a timeline, what is working? Is your heart working? Is your head working? It is all your head working, and you are not 100% committed. When you are 100% committed, there is no timeline specifically to your relationship. So you need to be 100% committed to your relationship. Remove the timelines, which even if you have put it, remove all the timelines. Only have heart and be 100% committed and work towards relationship. So if you had this challenge, comment below what was your takeaway from this. Okay, you might be hearing some background voice because my baby is just 4 months and my mom and dad are taking care. So please don't mind that noise voice coming from backside. So, and second thing is that go to www.saranjali.com there is a video which we have specially made for entrepreneurs. Watch this video, book a slot with us if you are facing any challenges in your relationship. Because it's our mission. It's our mission, me and Anjali's mission. Because we have gone through hell in our marriage and we have grown in our marriage and we know what to do. And it's our mission to help you if you're watching and if you're having any challenge. So comments are welcome. Waiting to see you in the next video tomorrow. See you around. Take care. Bye-bye.